Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Aero Snap in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable Aero Snap in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, now click on Settings, click on System, after click on Multitasking, and here option Snap Windows. So if you want to enable, so /2 on position. If you want to disable, so /2 off position. And if you want to enable, so /2 on position. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable Aero Snap in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.